2009, the population of a state was 32 million. If the population grows at 2.3% per year, approximately how many years from 2009 will it take the population to reach 41 million? Okay, so this is going to be where you start. This is going to be your like your present, like your initial. This is going to be, the 41 will be your future. Remember that ln of e equals 1. So in this case, we're going to say that a equals 41, p equals 32, and the rate is 2.3. Converted to a decimal is 0.023. So it's the same rate as problem number 5. So a equals p times e RT. We substitute that. 41 equals 32, e 0.23 times t. We're looking for t. So recall that this 32 is multiplied to the base of e, which is raised to this exponent. So then we have 41 equals 32 times e raised to the exponent of 0.023t. Then we're going to divide both sides by 32. So once you do that, the 32 will cross out on the right-hand side. And then you're going to take the ln of both sides. So it's 41 over 32 equals e raised to the exponent. The ln of both sides. So you're taking the ln of 41 over 32 as one exact number. The ln of e simplifies to 1, so you're just left with the exponent. So I have ln of 41 over 32 equals 0.023 times t. We're going to divide both sides by the rate, 0.023. And then we're left with t equals the ln of 41 over 32 divided by 0.23. So that will take 10.78 years from 2009. So if they ask you, like, what year would that be? That would be 2009 plus 10 years. So that would be 2019. For number 8, we're going to do keep, change, flip, or KFC. We're going to leave the first expression the way it is, change the division sign to multiplication, and then create the reciprocal of the second term, but we also want to factor the x squared minus 4. So that's a conjugate that's going to factor to x plus 2, x minus 2, and we're going to rewrite it in the second term. So then I have x plus 2 divided by x minus 2, x plus 2, and then we're going to start to cancel. So it's going to be x minus 2, x minus 2 for x minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2. So our answer will be 3x plus 1 over x plus 8. Or if we distribute that, 3x plus 3 over x plus 8. Again, these are the same answer. Population is currently 250,000 and is continuously decaying at a rate of 2.3%. So that needs to be converted to a decimal. What is the population after 10 years? All right, so let's see. We're going to use y equals a times e kt. Remember, your k is your constant that can be positive or negative. If it's decay, this is going to be negative. So y is your future, and it's 250,000. K equals negative 0.023, and the year is 10. I need to correct this. This is 250,000. I think I'm missing a 0, so it's e negative 0.023 times 10. And then their decreased population is going to be 198,633. You want to use whole numbers because you're talking about a population. You can describe the transformation if the square root parent function is transformed. G of x equals negative 2 square root of x minus 3 plus 7. So with that in mind, it's going to be a reflection across the x-axis. That's going to be the negative. The a is a vertical stretch because it's a whole number. So fractions are compressions. The h is going to be a shift right because it's negative, and then the k is going to be up 7. So it's 7 units. So reflection across the x-axis because of the negative, vertical shift of a factor of 2, or vertical stretch, excuse me, horizontal shift right 3, and then vertical shift up 4. You're going to want to convert this to standard form. So it's going to be x squared minus x minus 7 equals 0. We're going to use quadratic formula because you can't factor this using the AC method. So a equals 4, b equals negative 1, c equals negative 5. And the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So when I substitute those numbers in, I'm going to get x equals 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4, minus 4 times 4 minus 5 divided by 4 times 2. So then I'm going to get 1 plus or minus the square root of 81 divided by 8. And then I simplify the square root and I get 9. So it's 1 plus or minus 9 over 8. I'm going to split this into two different fractions. So on the left hand side, I'm going to have 1 plus 9 over 8. And then the second one is going to be 1 minus 9 over 8. When I simplify these, I get 10 over 8, which has to be reduced to 5 over 4. And then I get negative 8 over 8, which is reduced to negative 1. So our solutions for the formula are going to be negative 5/4 minus 1 as the x-intercepts. So those are also the solutions, and you can see them on the graph here. If we look at these equations right here on the left, these are your solutions. Negative 1 comma 0, and then 1.25 is 4/5, so it's 4/5 comma 0.